We are here today in the neighborhood of Soctts Grant, and we are in northern Greensboro. We are in Guilford County, and we are in the zip code of 27455. Now, this neighborhood was established in 2008, with the last home being built in 2024. So it's a relatively new one. We are northern Greensboro. Obviously, we're north of Greensboro. We are north of the Loop. We're 9 minutes to Round Summit, and we are 10 minutes to Summerfield. Summerfield's to the left. So, highways and getting around, we are right off of 150. 150 takes you east to west. That takes you to 29 and all the way over to Oak Ridge if that's where you were going. It also will take you, you're not far from 220, and you're about 10 minutes to the Loop. Timing wise, you are 20 minutes to PTI and you are 20 minutes to downtown Greensboro. And what I love about this neighborhood is it's quiet, the roads seem wide, everybody takes care of their houses. And you're further out, but not so far out where you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere. You've got the crepe myrtles in full bloom, which I am here for. So, I mean, it's still, some of these are newer, but for the most part, this is an established neighborhood because after 20 years, you're gonna have trees. This neighborhood does not have sidewalks, but there's nowhere to go but this neighborhood. It is one road in and then cul-de-sacs off of it. And I love a cul-de-sac, especially if you've got kiddos or dogs that like to run away. Like my dog. Let's talk house pricing. The average house price here in Soctts Grant is $755,000. They range, going back a year, it's July of 2026, between $690,000 and $860,000. The average square foot house here is $3,500, but they range between $2,200 and $4,800. So some can be small, but $4,800 is a pretty large house. The price per square foot here, the average is $208,000, but they range between $161 and $250 a square foot. To give you an idea of the size of the house, they're all 4 bedrooms. It's gonna say 4 bedrooms because you got it, we're out in the county, you're gonna be on septic. So they're gonna say it's 4 bedrooms based on how many people live in the house, but you're gonna have bonuses and media rooms and gyms and all that sort of stuff. So, 4 bedrooms, 3 to 5 baths. They all have at least 2 car garages, if not 3. Some of them have 4, if you can believe that. There is an HOA here. It's $500 for the year, and that takes care of the entrance, the roads, which half of the road is maintained by the city, half of it is maintained by the HOA, which hopefully that will change soon. In terms of the maintenance of the road. The taxes here are 0.9%. You do have septic, you do have well. There are no amenities here, so there's no clubhouse, there's no pool, but they do have a pretty awesome area for the kiddos. They have a playground, they have a picnic area, and then they also have a fireplace for you to hang out. So I think that's pretty great for what it has to offer. Let's talk grocery shopping. You are 5 minutes from the Lowe's that is on 150 and Church Street. They are currently building a food line out here as well on 150, so it's gonna be super great for having that also out here. You have a food line in Summerfield, that's 10 minutes away. You have Harris Teeter on Battleground, 220. That's about 13 minutes away. And if we're talking about shopping, you've got Food Lion. I've got food on the brain because I have not eaten lunch yet today, or breakfast for that matter. Shopping. Friendly Center is 23 minutes away, and Battleground is 14 minutes away. Big box stores, think of like Glitter Gulch up on Battleground. Let's talk green spaces. The Science Center is 14 minutes away. Country Park is 15 minutes away. Military Park, same thing. They all kind of connect. That's 15 minutes. You've got Bryan Park, which is 18 minutes away, which seems kind of crazy that it would take that long to get there, but I guess it does. That's got 2 different golf courses there, soccer facilities, so that's not super far away. And you've got Lake Brant. Lake Brant is great. They have a marina if you want to take your kayaks out, your canoes, like small sailboats. But the great thing about the lakes that we have here are there are tons and tons and tons of hiking trails. So that is only 7 minutes away. It's just right here, which is great for you to drop in the marina and pick up one of the trails. And these schools that you would be slotted for are Northern Elementary, Northern Middle, and Northern High School. And when I say it is close, it is right in your backyard. So I appreciate you sticking to the end. I hope you learned all that you wanted to learn about the neighborhood of Soctts Grant. If you've got any questions, if you want to see another spot, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.